Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use GLM 5.2 model completely free. And this method is a little bit tricky, so make sure to watch each step carefully. Let's talk about the benchmark of GLM 5.2 model. This model was positioned between Opus 4.7 and 4.8. And trust me, I have been using this model for like at least a month, and it has been a good model to me. I have made multiple projects with it. As you can see the benchmarks, the main drawback of this model is it is like very slow, on an average like 30 to 35 tokens per seconds. And as you can see that their official website provide 25 tokens per second. There are multiple providers which provide at high speed, like one is providing at like 123 token per second waterfast, but there are very few, like few provider who gives the fast speed. So the main drawback is the speed for now. And the thing is, the Databricks is providing a 14 days trial without any credit card, which is a good thing. So we will be doing the like setup with the Databricks. So make sure to watch carefully because you're gonna lose it if you're gonna miss a step. Okay. So open a like browser and search for Databricks, and now click on the try Databricks. Now I'll sign up with the Google account. You can sign up with your email ID as well or Microsoft account. So over here you need to select the start trial with Express setup. Okay, click on it. Now you need to change the name. I will change it to Amit Kumar and I'll hit continue. So you can change the location as well according to your location. I'll change India. Continue. So it will ask for a puzzle. So we need to select the image in which there are four rocks. So submit it. So as you can see that our account has been set up. Let me show you. Click on this workspace. Click on manage account. And if you go to the settings option, you will see that there is 40 credit given to you for 14 days trial. As you can see that this expire on the 28th July and today is 14 July. So you can use it completely free. Now let me show you how you can use it. So first of all, let me ask you to open the VS Code because we will do the setup in the VS Code. We do not know for how long this method is going to work. So open the VS Code and go to extension and search for the this extension client. You need to install it. There will be an install button over here. Then this icon will appear on the left taskbar, and then open the client. Now go to the website and in the left bar click on the AI gateway. So as you can see that multiple models are available and they are restricting all the models because people are misusing them. So we will select the GLM 5.2 model because it is working currently. So to check this is working or not, click try in browser and send the request. As you can see that it is responding like without any error, so we can use this model. So we need to go to VS Code and go to the settings option, and in the API provider we need to select the OpenAI compatible, and then we need to select this URL. It can be different in your case. Make sure to select up till the V1. Do not select chat and completions, and paste it in the base URL. So as I have pasted it, make sure to select until the V1, and then you need to select the model ID. Copy this model ID, Databricks GLM 5.2, and then you need to paste it in here. Okay. So these can be different in your case, so make sure to like watch it carefully. Then we need to generate a access token. So click on the settings option. Now go to the developer option and now click on the access tokens. Now generate a new token. You can name it everything. So I'm giving it YT, and lifetime or the expiration can be set to you according to your use case. I'm going to expire it in the day. So click on this other API section and select the AI gateway and click the generate button. Make sure to copy this like ID or your token. It will be shown one time, so make sure to copy and write it somewhere. So I will copy it and the paste it in the OpenAI compatible API key and done. Okay, now we will click on the done, and now we will try this is working or not. Hey, so as you can see that model is working. Let's create a simple snake game. So as you can see that snake game has been created. Let's open it. So we can, okay, it's opened in the browser as well. Let's try it in the browser. Click the start, and as you can see that game is working. The score is increasing as well, and the game is over also. So this is how you can use Databricks and to use the GLM 5.2 model. So make sure you subscribe to like watch the next video as soon as it drops, and thanks for watching.